outlet sparks when plugging in a device? That's a big red flag you don't want to ignore because it could mean serious electrical trouble or even a fire hazard. Okay, first thing, always turn off the power at the breaker before touching anything near that outlet. Safety first, no exceptions. Then, grab a screwdriver and carefully remove the outlet cover to check the wiring. Look for any loose wires, scorch marks, or melted insulation. That's your clue something's wrong. If you spot damaged wires or the outlet itself looks burnt or cracked, it's time to replace it. When shopping for a new outlet, make sure it matches the amperage and voltage of your system to avoid overloads. If you aren't comfy doing this yourself, don't hesitate to call a licensed electrician because messing with electricity can be dangerous. Also, avoid plugging in too many high-power devices into one outlet since that can cause sparks or trips. Finally, consider upgrading old outlets to ones with built-in safety features like tamper resistance if you have kids or pets around. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring sparking outlets, thinking it's no big deal. This can lead to electrical fires if not fixed fast. Another common issue is DIY repairs without proper knowledge, which often causes worse damage or personal injury. The fix is to hire a professional when unsure. Lastly, using worn-out or cheap extension cords and power strips with outlets that spark can be risky. Always choose high-quality products rated for your needs and replace them if damaged. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local electricians and contractors without the stress of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.